up, guys? Today we're gonna be painting this. My friend gave me this. It's one of those cheap shift knobs. So I'm gonna paint this part and this part right here. And you could take it apart like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop, you see, like it comes apart. So I'm gonna be painting this part and this part. So that way, I'm gonna paint it red. Just hold on. Red. It's a satin apple red. But yeah, we're gonna paint this. You guys are not gonna see me actually painting it because it's dark outside, and I will be doing it outside. So you guys will see the finished product once I'm done. So you guys are gonna see that about now. Actually, guys, I'm gonna show you how I prepped it already. So I taped this part off since it goes on the inside like this, and I taped this part off, which is also the other inside part, and the bottom part, which is silver. Now I'm gonna get to the painting part. But like I said before, you guys are not gonna see that because it's dark outside and I need to set up everything. I don't feel like doing that. Sorry. But you guys will see the finished product, and that's hopefully it does come out good. Oh wait. Alright, so I finished painting it already. I kinda let it dry a little bit, and now look how it looks. I painted it, so I'm gonna try taking off the tape for actually messing it up. And just like that. Wow. Guys, look at the difference. Look. Old color, new color. Wow. Like, it's like outstanding, like to see like what it was once. Oh wow, I'm touching it right now and it's like, I don't want to touch it too much, to be honest. Okay, so we're doing this part right here first. Look at this. Oh, wait, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. Oh, Lord. No, I think this is fine, though. Oh, wow. Okay, this is satisfying, this. Whether you think this is satisfying or not, it really is, especially for me. Because as you guys can see, there's literally two different colors. And I'm the one that painted this. Wow, bro, wow. The paint got messed up. Right there, look. Right there. The paint got messed up. Look at that. Wow. That bums me out, to be honest. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a new, it's like really brand, like new now. Damn, I think I messed it up. No? You good? Okay, so yeah, it wasn't ready yet. Now it has my freaking palm print on it. Wow. But let's just put it together to see how it looks. Either way. And it looks amazing. Wow. Guys, the transformation is like incredible. Even though I kind of messed up on certain parts, but those parts you're really not gonna notice unless you're really looking at it. But I am gonna paint this part again, just cause I didn't like that I got my palm print on it when I squished it down. But other than that, I'm very happy with the results. Hope you guys like enjoyed like me actually like showing you the before and after on this. And it sucks that I didn't show you before how it looked in the car, but it did look good, and you guys will see that tomorrow when I actually have some lighting, because I want you guys to have a good view. This will be going on my car tomorrow too, and tomorrow I'm going to be doing a second video on my clutch. I'm replacing my clutch because it's already time to replace it. But enough talking. Thank you for watching my video to the very end. Unless you guys skipped it, whatever. That's on you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Like, comment down below. This is David Baru signing out and logging back in tomorrow. Yeet boy. Let's dab out.